So this is a tutorial how to get on the Solana network, because Solana doesn't, Metamask is not really on Solana, but you can use it to bridge it. So I can go on Solflare, connect my Metamask account, I've already done it, but connect my Metamask account so you can go bridge. It would have connected your Metamask account, then you could change from, say, the Binance Smart Chain to Solana, either by swapping it to USDC or Solana. Swapped it to Solana. Now I'm gonna try get one of these memes on Solana. So I want to swap this Solana for this meme on my Telegram. I just talked about this meme before it gets on loads of exchanges. Billion Dollar Inu. I think it's linked to a lot of billionaires and whales and stuff. So we'll have, remember that, like I said in my last video, these memes is just about your profits, turn it to proper good tokenomics and good tokens like Solana or ETH and other ones. Don't be holding the bag when all these things crash. But let's have a look. So yeah, I'm gonna copy this contract here from CoinGecko, go back on Solflare, so that bridge is successful. Then here I'm going trade, change the Solana to see if I can copy. Here we go. Click the max. I might need some left over for, let's see, confirm. I might need some gas fees, but let's see, accept. Confirming transaction. And let's have a look. So Billion Dollar Inu. Let's look at their website. So Billion Dollar Inu is the ultimate meme com destined to moon all the way to $1. Mad stacks, yaks, private jets, and exclusive parties. Remember, things on Solana Network have been popping anyway, like with is taking you with Binu, and you're not just investing, you're joining a movement where money talks and walks. Binu is your ticket to the top. Want financial freedom, the kingdom. Yeah, so these are all meme coins. Roadmap 525 million. Tokenomics, Simbu. Oh yeah, there was some tax thing linked to this. Let's see, 100% liquidity, join us. So yeah, you can find out more, but it's about joining these ones quickly.